Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Driving at night is so much fun! And we have the streets all to ourselves. Whoa! What was that? It's pretty late for animals to be out. You're right, D.B.O. That's definitely an animal. I wonder, why do some animals come out at night? I'm gonna need a grabber arm.
Grabber arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find that nighttime animal. Ah! Oh.
Hi, my name is Rita the raccoon. What's yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and that's D.B.O. We were wondering why some animals, like you, are out at night.
See, I'm nocturnal. That means that everything you like to do in the daytime, I like to do at nighttime.
So cool!
Hey, do you think this thing can help me find some food?
Of course! I think the BlippiMobile could do almost anything! Oh, look at her go! D.B.O., follow that raccoon!
Woo! Ha-ha! Come on, keep up!
Rita, you aren't supposed to use the BlippiMobile without permission. That's stealing.
Sorry! Us raccoons will do almost anything for food.
I'm freezing, Rita. It's so cold at night. Aren't you cold too?
Me? No way! I've got this big fur coat that helps me keep nice and warm all night.
I wish I had a big coat or something to keep me warm. Whoa! Look out!
It's okay, Blippi! Look!
Oh, thanks, Rita.
That's another great thing about being nocturnal. A lot of the animals that want to chase me are asleep. I like it better with less unfriendly predators around. Something smells good. Let's go!
To the BlippiMobile. This time I'll drive.
That's it! In there!
That looks complicated, Rita. How are you going to open it?
No problem. Raccoons are great problem solvers, as long as there's food involved. Ha! Jackpot! With less animals around, I don't have to share all of this great food.
What an amazing adventure! And I got the answer to my question. Why do some animals come out at night? Some animals like to come out at night because there is less competition for food. There are fewer predators and people around, and because it's cooler at night. Upload answer, D.B.O.
Goodbye, Blippi! I'm off to greener dumpsters!
Bye-bye, Rita!